Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to find your Fantasy Premier League ID in your web browser. So go ahead and launch any web browser like your Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or whatever you want to use. Once you're in the website, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. You cannot access your ID through the phone or any other platform. You need to be on the website. So after that, click on the menu in the top left corner of the screen, and from the menu that appears, you need to go ahead and select the fantasy option. Then select the Fantasy Premier League. Click on Pick Team. Then scroll down until you find the Transfers section. And here you need to select Transfer History beside the Transfers section. And finally, locate your team ID in the top of the URL page and use this number as needed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.